Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You've sent an email in Outlook, but it's not appearing in your sent items folder. This is a common and frustrating problem. The good news is, there are several simple reasons and fixes. First, check your internet connection. Outlook needs to be online to sync properly. Make sure Outlook isn't in a work offline mode. Find this option under the Send/Receive tab. Next, look closely at other folders. Sometimes, an email might get stuck in the outbox if it didn't send properly. It could also be in drafts. Also, check if you accidentally created a rule that moves sent messages. Go to File, then Manage Rules and Alerts to review them. A corrupted Outlook profile or data file is another common issue. Try creating a new Outlook profile. Search for Mail, Microsoft Outlook, in Windows, then Show Profiles and add a new one. Sometimes, the email's sent, but Outlook just isn't displaying it due to a synchronization glitch. Give it a few minutes, or restart Outlook completely. Ensure your Outlook software is also updated. If you're using a POP account, sent items might not sync back to the server, they only exist on the sending computer. For Exchange or IMAP accounts, ensure your sent items folder is properly subscribed and syncing. These steps should help you troubleshoot and find your missing sent emails.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.